Say goodbye to boring training materials and standard operating procedures that nobody on your team even bothers to go through. Today, we are going to be magically creating stunning SOPs and how-to guides with AI in a matter of minutes. Come along with me. All right, so we are going to be magically creating training materials, onboarding docs, FAQs with AI in a matter of minutes using this Chrome extension called Guide. Now, Guide is a generative AI platform for businesses, and you can use this tool to create video documentations very, very quickly. Now, on your browser, go to guide.com and then get the free extension. So you click on that, and then it takes you to this page where you can install Guide to your Chrome. So this is your welcome page here. And on this welcome page, you'll be required to sign up on the account. Now, you have to fill in some information because they want to know more about you. So what are you going to call this workspace? You can create whatever you want your workspace to be. It can be your business name, it can be your company name, whatever you want it to be. Go on ahead to choose your company size, the kind of work you do, and then what are you thinking of using Guide for? So select one or more. I want to use Guide for knowledge documentation. Yours could be product how-tos, customer onboard. It could be for anything. Just choose the one that you know is applicable. And then you go to Let's Start. So the next thing we want to do here is to actually make use of this tool. So what Guide is going to help us do is document the processes, and you will actually see this as we go. So I'm going to be using Asana. I'm a project manager, and I love to use Asana. This can actually be anything at all that you want to document and share with your team members. We go to capture your first workflow. Click on that. And then over here, you can see create how-to videos, and you can see the capture button telling you that it is ready to start. And then we just click on capture. Based on what you said you want to use Guide for, Guide is going to show you some options here that you can choose from. So I would say I want to make how-to videos. So today I want to show you how to create a task on Asana. Right? Very, very simple process that we want to do just for the purpose of this video, just to illustrate that. So you click on Go. You are also presented with some options here, and it's telling you that it's about to capture. So this is ready to go now. So I'm just going to go to the platform that I want to capture. So we want to create a task on Asana. You can see the guide icon here showing you that it's ready to capture your processes. So the first thing that we're going to do here is I have created a project. So I click on project. I created a guide SOP project, and then I would like to add a task. All right. Once you are done, click done. So you can already see here how it's actually working. You see the ones it has done, and then you see the ones it's still working on. I think one thing I like about this is it's not just reading like you have in Google Docs. Most of the times they are so boring and you don't want to read them. There's actually video. I appreciate video a lot. So you have the video here. Now, once you are done with this, you can just scroll down and see that it has captured each of those steps for you. Obviously, we're going to have to do some edits. So for any step that you don't need, you could just delete that. So I'm going to delete that in my SOP because this is not where it starts from. The process in creating a task on Asana actually starts from here. So click Guide SOP. So the first process is to go to the Asana link, and then the next thing to do is click on the guide. So that's correct. Now, if I'm not okay with this, I can click on this pencil icon and, edit it. All right. So the next thing it now say is add task, which is really what it should be. And then finally it says fill in. So I can just edit this and say fill in task information or task detail. So once we are done with this, just click outside the box and let's see. You see, it has edited that. And so these are the 3 steps that my team member who wants to create a task on Asana has to go through. So I have this here, the steps here. I also have this video. Now, the next thing we are supposed to do here is generate natural sounding voiceovers. Wow, voiceovers for the video. So we have some options here. So we've been asked to review the descriptions, which we have done. We now need to choose a speaker. All right, so the speaker we have here is robots. We can listen to robot's voice. So we have some options. You can listen to anyone you want, and then you pick the actual one you want. So I will just go ahead with robots here, and then you click generate. And you can see here, it's saving the graphics, it's converting all the images. You can just see the processes as it's going, and now it's complete. So let's play our video to see what we have.
Learn how to efficiently create tasks in Asana with this guide tailored for employee training. Follow the steps below to navigate through Asana's interface and effortlessly add and fill in details for your tasks. Click on the Guide SOP option in the menu. Select Add Task to create a new task. Enter the details for the task, such as title, description, and due date. This guide covered the process of creating tasks in Asana, from navigating to selecting the Add Task option to filling in task details. Master Asana's task creation process for efficient employee training.
So you see that we have created an SOP with this generative AI tool in a matter of minutes. So to edit this video that we have created, you can come to the edit area by clicking on the edit video button, and it opens this page where you can edit the voiceover as well as the cover. So here we have text to voice. You can change the script by just clicking on that and then doing some edits here if you want to. And then one other thing I like about this app is the fact that you can come down here and you can actually do a few edits by double clicking on that and click out of it, and then it just edits it for you. And there are more features. You can insert, you can do some changes on the background, change your voiceover, you can add motion features, and you can crop. So just play around with all of this and see what you can do. And once you are done editing your video, just click on done. Let's look at the left panel here. You can collapse and you can also expand it when you want to. So let's go back to the home button. So here on the home menu, you can see all of the videos that you have created. And then when you actually come to my guides, you can see the ones that you actually created. Before I go on, one very useful information is when you install this Google extension on your laptop, Guide gives you a free business trial for 7 days. So let's go back to the panel here. So here you can see guides that you have created. They also have a Spaces page where you can collaborate and share videos with your team and customers in one place. So all you have to do is to create a new space and then add all the team members or the customers that you are going to be collaborating with. Here you can see your brand kits. You can actually brand your videos, brand your SOPs, and just give it that extra zing. There's a whole lot of things that you can do with this 7-day business trial that you are given. And then once you have a feel of it and you see that, oh, this is something you would really love to use, you can go ahead and upgrade and get the paid version. The final thing that I want to show you here is integrations. This is so nice because you can integrate with Microsoft Edge, Gmail, Google Drive, Slack, So those are the ones that we are able to use on this business trial. Now, if you want more access, if you want more integration, such as integrating it to YouTube or Salesforce or anything like that, then you just have to go for the paid version. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you think that this is something that you would also like to use, I have left the link for you in the description. Don't forget to like this video and click on the notification bell, because we are going to be doing more videos like this and sharing very useful tools that you can use to be more productive as a freelancer or as a digital worker. So until I see you in the next video, stay productive and stay connected to this channel.